That's the last pallet for this row.
Okay, secure it tight. We are almost done.
Control to Bay 3. Confirm arrival.
Copy that. Truck is secured. Ready for unloading procedure.
Utilizing the proprietary modern Papaya system, these scales ensure that only perfectly weighted crates move down the line.
We had a brief spike in the intake levels, but the automated sequence corrected it immediately.
Good catch. Monitor that closely for the next cycle.
We carefully check the firmness and color of each papaya to ensure only the highest quality fruit makes it to market.
The papaya pulp undergoes careful heat treatment to ensure safety and quality.
Watch your clearance on the right. Pull forward just a bit more. Okay, easy drop now.
Is engaged. Ready for scanning.
Confirmed. This shipment is secured.
All shipments are green across the Atlantic corridor. ETA remains unchanged for the New York depot.
This state-of-the-art facility ensures that every drop of water used in our luxury papaya products.
Rerouting the nutrient flow calibrator. Check the pressure levels on your end.
Pressure is stable. Calibration complete. Status green.
This simulation covers the aseptic packaging of the luxury extract. Ensure all safety protocols are synchronized with the robotic sequence.